In this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a table from ChatGPT into Google Sheets. So what we will do, we will create a little prompt to create us a table. And we would like to easily import this table into Google Sheets. So the next step is of course open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Once you have done that, we will go back to ChatGPT, and as you can see I have already entered an answer into ChatGPT. I have asked to make it easy to import into Google Sheets with a CSV file. So once you have done this, ChatGPT will generate a CSV file to import into Google Sheets. So what we will do, we will download the file from ChatGPT, and as you can see we have now the CSV file. So we will go back to Google Spreadsheets, and as you can see if we click on File we can go to Import. Click on that, now go to Upload and then Browse and select the CSV file we just downloaded from ChatGPT. Now select it and after that open it. Now it will start importing into our spreadsheet. And as you can see, the import location will be this spreadsheet and it will automatically detect the separators. So what we are going to do, we are going to import it and then it will automatically create the table. And as you can see, we have now successfully added the table into our Google Sheet. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!